Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Your friendly neighborhood coach Pruitt here with you once again for another daily reminder video and a quick little how-to tech session for today. Today is Friday. It is October the 2nd, and so by Sunday, October the 4th, we've got a couple of assignments that are going to be due. These are the things that we've been working on in class the last couple of days. So remember, you have your quiz, your Create a Colony project, and your task work. Today I want to make a couple of very brief videos just to show you how to submit these two assignments, the Create a Colony project and the task work. I'm going to try to be as brief as possible while also being as detailed and thorough as possible. So let's see how this goes. First thing I want to talk about is how to turn in your Create a Colony project. Now obviously it's going to depend on how you set this up and how you created it. Remember that Mr. Burrows and I said that you guys could do this project any way that you wanted. So I'm going to show you a couple of different ways that you can turn it in depending on what platforms that you've used, and then we'll go from there. So if you did your project on a Microsoft Word document or in Microsoft PowerPoint, then we want you to attach it to an email. So very quickly what you would do is you would pull up your email service. You can see we have Outlook. Yours may be Gmail or Yahoo, whatever the case may be. But usually in the top left corner, there's going to be something that either says New Message, Compose Message, Compose Email, something like that. You click on that button and it will pull up a blank email. So in the to box, you're going to type my email address, which is pruitt.michael@newton.k12.ga.us. This can be found on your syllabus if you need it. For the subject, you're going to put Create a Colony, your name, and your class period. Now, obviously, we have rosters and we are trying to get to know everybody and what class periods they're in, but this way just makes it so much easier for us to make sure that we know exactly who did it and exactly what class period and exactly where to put the grade. In the body of the email, you can simply put something like, here is my Create a Colony project, something like that along those lines. It doesn't have to be those words exactly. Now, to attach the actual project, you must obviously have saved it to your computer. It's a Microsoft Word document or it's a Microsoft PowerPoint, whatever the case may be. But somewhere towards the bottom of the message, and again, depending on what email platform you're using, it'll have this in various locations, but you're going to find what looks like a paper clip. That is the attach button. If you click that, you can see for me, it pulls up the last few documents that I've opened, and then it gives me the option to browse the computer. So if you browse your computer, it's going to pull up your saved file. So this is where you're going to have to know, where did you save it? Is it saved to your desktop? Is it saved under documents? Is it saved into a specific folder that you've created? Is it saved in a variety of places? So you just got to make sure that you know not only what the name of the document is, but where you saved it. You can also search for the file name. So just keep that in mind as well. So let's just say I want to attach this document, or I could even attach this PowerPoint. Either way, right? All I need to do is double click on it. Okay. You're going to see that if it is a PowerPoint, it'll have this little symbol. If it's a Word document, it's got the little W. This means that it's attaching. The little blue bar is its progress. Once the blue bar is all the way filled, that means that this document has been uploaded to the attached to the email, and it is now good to go. See how the blue bar just cleared? This is good. I can hit send, and it will send this email to my recipient. Okay? If you did your presentation as a Google Slide presentation or on a Google Doc, let me show you how you need to send that. So this is the example one that I showed you guys, or that I gave you on your Canvas page. So I'll use it as the example of how to share. So this one, what you do, if it's a Google Doc or a Google Slide, in the top right-hand corner there is a button that says Share. You click on the Share button. Now, the very first thing you need to do, you can see at the bottom here where it says Get Link. Right now, my link is set that anyone on the internet can see this view. You may have to change this. Okay, what you may see when you first pull yours up, this is usually the default. It says restricted and only people added can open with this link. I need you to change that. So again, first thing you do when you hit share on a Google Doc or a Google Slide, check this portion and make sure that your under where it says get link is set to anyone with the link. That's going to be super important. Okay, then you're going to hit done. go back and hit share. We double check to make sure that this link is set correctly. There it is. Anyone with the internet can view it. And then here where it says share with people and groups, you would type in whatever email you're going to send it to. So again, here you would type in mine, or you can type in Mr. Burrows. I would prefer that you send it to me, just because I'm probably going to grade a lot of stuff or have at least most of the paperwork with me. But you can certainly send it to Mr. Burrows as well. So either or. So again here, pruitt.michael@newton.k12.da.us, and then I hit done. That will send it. And now I will get an email notification that says a document has been shared with me. I can go look at it. We'll be good to go. All right. Very last thing, guys, if you have Remind. So if you are doing yours on paper, right? So you did it as a poster, you wrote your actual information on paper, whatever the case. On your Remind messages, there is a, let me see if I can find it. Yes. On your Remind messages, there is a little button that looks like a camera. If you click on that button, it's going to pull up the ability for you to type a message, and you can then attach a photo, or you can just put the photo as a message, right? So for that, it's just like if you were sending a text message to somebody, essentially. Or you can see here on the right-hand side, you can upload a photo or a video, or you can upload a file. So if you have it, maybe you were working on your phone, and you typed it as a document on your phone or as a note on your phone, or you can just literally take a picture of the document, take a picture of the poster, take a picture of the whatever, hit upload a photo or video, choose your image. You can see here it's gonna put your image there. If you have multiple images, you might have to send multiple ones, and then just for your message, put create a colony project, and then you hit send. Okay, hopefully that helps, guys. Again, as always, if you have questions about how to turn this in and how to submit it, please let us know. And this is due again by Sunday night at 11:59 p.m. Good luck. We'll see you guys in class.